Stop saying I think. Powerful business English alternatives. Most professionals use the phrase I think far too often. It makes your English sound weaker, less confident, and less decisive, especially in meetings, presentations, interviews, and leadership conversations. Today, I'll show you powerful professional alternatives that will instantly upgrade your communication skills. Welcome back. I'm Eric, the Executive English Coach. Let's begin. Why I think is a problem? I think is not wrong, but in business English, it has problems. It sounds unsure. It weakens your ideas. It can make you sound inexperienced. It makes listeners question your confidence. Professionals and leaders use clear, stronger structures. Let's fix it. Alternative number 1. My view is. This phrase is direct, calm, and professional. Examples. My view is we need more time. My view is the current plan works. Confident but not aggressive. Alternative number 2. From my perspective. It's warm, diplomatic, and polite. Examples. From my perspective, the customer's feedback is positive. From my perspective, the risk is low. Alternative number 3. The way I see it, it's more conversational. The way I see it, this approach will save time. The way I see it, we need to adjust the timeline. Alternative number 4. In my opinion, it's still opinion-based, but more formal than I think. In my opinion, the numbers confirm growth. Alternative number 5, based on the data. This one is powerful. It turns your speech into fact-based communication. Based on the data, our users prefer option B. Based on the data, the strategy is working. This is leadership language. Alternative number 6, the data suggests. It's less direct, very professional. The data suggests we should increase support staff. The data suggests customer satisfaction is rising. Now you sound like someone who belongs in executive meetings. Alternative number 7, what we're seeing is. It's great for updates, presentation, and team meetings. What we're seeing is higher engagement. What we're seeing is improved performance. Alternative number 8, it appears that. It's soft, neutral, analytical. It appears that the project is ahead of schedule. It's great when you don't want to sound too pushy. Alternative number 9, it's clear that. It's strong and decisive. It's clear that the team needs support. It's clear that customers trust our product. Alternative number 10. Here's what I recommend. It's a leadership phrase. It's clear, it's direct, and it's solution focused. Here's what I recommend. Let's adjust the timeline. How to choose the right alternative. It's based on tone. For a strong tone, is that clear? Based on data, use a neutral tone. From my perspective, the way I see it, an analytical tone, the data suggests, it appears that, a leadership tone, here's what I recommend, full transformation, weak to strong, a weak tone, I think we need more support, a stronger tone, the data suggests we need more support, a stronger tone, the data suggests we need more support, an executive tone. Here's what I recommend. A weak tone. I think this plan won't work. A stronger tone. The way I see it, this plan won't work. An executive tone. Based on the data, this plan won't work. You don't need perfect English. You need confident English. Stop saying I think. Start speaking with clarity, calmness, and leadership. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the Executive English Coach. Thanks for watching. Follow for more executive English tips.